excited to introduce you to this viral sensation, a Black-owned brand called Take Off Luggage. This is going to be an 18-inch roller bag. I love that it's a hard suitcase, so it's not going to have any troubles going into that sizer. I love that it has a TSA lock on it. You're going to make sure the ends go into these keyholes. You're going to press them in. Now your items are locked. For TSA, if they don't have the key, which you can see that there's a key right there, they do not have to destroy your bag. All they have to do is push it and then it'll pop right open. Your bag purchase comes with 4 wheels, but what I like about Take Off Luggage is they think of you, the customer, in mind. You can always just order new wheels from Take Off Luggage. There's 2 ways that you can put these wheels on. There are different notches. You can either look for these 2 notches and then you just set it on top and you push. Or there is 2 yellow tabs on the side. There's also 2 cutouts on the wheel itself that match that perfectly. The line button and you just push down, you'll hear a pop and that means your wheel is on. All the wheels are interchangeable. I know you guys like this bag, so you know what I got? I got a special promo code for you. So go ahead and get your Take Off Luggage bag so that you can take off and go to your next vacation.